Hi, in this video let me show you how to set up Wi-Fi direct on your Epson ET-3950 or ET-3958 printer. I'll also show you how to print using your phone or computer once Wi-Fi direct is set up. Now we need to use these arrows to select on the top right corner the Wi-Fi icons. So I'll go up, then right. Once they're highlighted, I'll press OK. I'll go down and select Wi-Fi Direct. Press Start Setup. Next, you're going to press the downside arrow until you get to network name and password. These informations are very important. Now we need to go into the Wi-Fi settings of your device you wish to print from. It will search for all the Wi-Fi networks that are around you, and you need to find the one that is from your Epson printer. Just wait a few seconds. Here we go, it appeared. Direct Epson ET-3950 series. Tap on it and the password is the one that is on your display. Your password will be different, so you absolutely need to go on your printer. Don't copy mine. And we're now connected. Open any pictures you wish to print. On an iPhone, you're going to tap this icon. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. If you're on an Android smartphone, you're going to go on the top right corner of your screen once the photo is open or whatever you want to print, and press the three dots and then select print. On the iPhone, once I have tapped that icon, I will go down and select print. Now on the top here, select your printer, Epson 3950 series. There's a few different things you can change: the color, if it's color or black and white, number of copies, the paper size, stuff of this nature. And once you're ready, you're going to press the print button. And here we go, we got our result. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, comment if you want me to improve my videos, comment if you liked it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.